Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of No Fear Cooking with my wife Magda.
Hello.
And I'm Blaine. And you know what? It's Labor Day. Labor Day is picnic time. And you know what? Yes, the 4th of July was such a great picnic that Aunt Harriet asked us to come back.
Aunt Harriet.
Aunt Harriet said,
Good.
Blaine, we love your Hawaiian fruit salad. What are you going to bring for Labor Day? Well, we've got deviled eggs alla Marche. That's right, from the Marche region of Italy. We've got eggs that's gonna just tremendous. We're gonna have tuna, we're gonna have anchovies, we're gonna have capers. It is a completely different flavor and taste. And look at this absolutely lovely platter of appetizers. It's the best thing you can have. And I have this feeling, I have a feeling Aunt Harriet's gonna ask us back for Thanksgiving. Well, I'll tell you what, if it's as good as I think, you're going to make this part of your Labor Day menu.
And it's no fear. You said it.
No fear.
No fear.
No.
Very easy, and everything in one plate. Have a bigger plate, have the rim around, and we're going to have fun. I was trying to show you how I clean my red peppers, yellow peppers. What do you think, Blaine? Are we ready for a Labor Day?
I'm ready to party.
And this is going to be no fear cooking in the whole sense. Very good meal with the deviled eggs we're going to do, Italian style, with tuna and capers and also anchovies. Everything you need for this deviled eggs, Italian style, for Labor Day. So will be no fear cooking because it's going to be 1, 2, 3 assembled together. So I start the eggs already to take them apart. So this is what we need here for this, right? So let's go start with the eggs, and we're going to take the yolks apart, and it's going to be just pop them out. Very nice and easy. It's deviled eggs are very versatile for a lot of holidays or just to have around the house. It's really that simple. Everybody can have 1 egg a day, and this is going to be the simple way to have it. This is not cut. I'm going to have one more here. I'm going to do 6 eggs today. They're already cooked and very easy to come off. Very nice yolk. I got very good eggs this time. They're always good, actually. So just let's a little bit mush them, I call it. And now let's go and assemble everything else. I have already the anchovies. They are already cut right here. I cut them a little bit. Let me see if they're already. Yeah, that's good. And I'm going to put the anchovies right in. That's such a good taste to the eggs when you have the anchovies in. Let's mix it a little bit. Baby, what do you think? It smells good? Smells so good. And everybody, for this wonderful Labor Day, how nice is to share a recipe, one that we all know, and that's our favor. And also, no fear. That's why I enjoy to do it. Now these are the capers there, all good in. And the capers, I cut them a little bit smaller pieces, so they are not that big to begin, but just tiny bit, just mush them up a little bit, cut them. And the star of this deviled eggs is tuna. And I use a tuna from a can with the oil. And of course, we find this very easy right now. We are very lucky. All this time with the COVID, we've been finding good tuna. Italians love to eat tuna because they find it next to their water so easily. So they have it. One more ingredient for our eggs, it's a little bit parsley. So the parsley is going to give a very good fresh taste to this. And that's all you have to do. Easy, no fear. And it's not going to be really smooth. We're not going to put any mayonnaise if you like to. Sometimes I did it. But it's just going to be just pleasant enough to the taste. And we're going to keep it simple. Now let's just fill out the eggs. And they all go to look a little bit rough, but it's okay. It's not important to have it really smooth. And I'm going to just put them in the plate. Delicious part of this devil eggs that I'm making today are going to be the fact that I'm going to have them with grilled vegetables. We are going to take it to a party for the Labor Day. Everybody likes to bring one plate together. So I have already my vegetables all grilled. I have red peppers right here. They're already grilled. And when I'm going to get the plate ready, will be so delicious and also very good looking. You may have it different vegetables, but I did also these are the nice tomatoes, the plum tomatoes I call them, the Italian plum tomatoes, and I grill them. If you like to know how to do the grilling for that tomatoes, let me a note please. Thank you for watching us. Many times I probably forget to say it, but I do appreciate everyone who takes time to watch our videos, and will come always back with new recipes. We always like certain foods, so we are coming back to our favorites. All right, this is all done here. And if you have a little bit left over, have it on the side on a slice of bread. I have homemade bread and it's going to be delicious with a little bit left over. Good, I'm going to leave this on the side here. Oh, I have one more egg. Let's finish it. And then let's put together our nice plate for Labor Day. So everybody loves to bring something new. This is my new dish that I'm going to bring for my party on Monday. And I'm starting now to assemble the plate. I marinate the red peppers. As you saw, I put them already in the oven. And everybody loves vegetables, and why not to have plenty? So I'm going to put them in different sizes. These are all nice cuts, very nice strips. As you see them, I marinated with a little bit oil and vinegar, salt and pepper. Couple flakes of hot pepper. I'm going to leave some of them on the side. Pepe, do they smell good? Do they smell good? Oh, he loves the smell of the peppers. When I was grilling them yesterday, I did that yesterday because it was a little bit easier. So red peppers, what else do we want to put in? We'll put some of the tomatoes that they are grilled, and they're lovely. And everybody will have a spoon of vegetables or a plate with vegetables, plenty for everybody. Just pack as many as you like to. I'm going to put lots of tomatoes here because we love them. And what else did I grill today? I grilled some zucchini. And zucchini, I just cut them in half and in a pan with no oil, and they're all ready to go. Let me see. Wow. Wow, these are delicious. And you can just put them on here. Everybody will help themselves with it. And they are so healthy and no fear. What else did I want to put in? Mushrooms. Mushrooms are good always, and they are very healthy and easy to make. Well, I bought this in a can, and they're just perfect for a big crowd. Lots of good vegetables. I do have also, what do we have here?
Artichokes.
Yes, couple artichokes. Very good, Nathaniel. Thank you. I'm going to pack them around here. And you can do whatever how you like to your plate. Nobody will think that you did anything wrong with it if it's a little bit more packed. If you like a bigger plate, it's good. I have also some of the garbanzo beans that I'm going to put them on a corner here. I'm going to change this egg here. And some people do like this, and they are delicious in a plate with vegetables and the eggs. So go for a couple of them here. Put them some on the other corner, and everybody will have fun with this wonderful no fear recipe. So Labor Day, it's September already. We had a good summer. Everybody was more free to go places, thanks God. We are all happy that we all stay healthy. And now with September coming, please stay healthy. And also I have a couple of the olives. If you like to just put a couple around here, that's good. I'm going to put a couple on this side. This is a very good big plate. You can choose a bigger plate, but I'm going to check on the pepper. I want to show you how easy it is to grill vegetables for this wonderful plate. Labor Day, oh, it's wonderful. Let me go show you how they look, and then we are coming back to, okay, Nathaniel, look at this. It's only about 10 minutes. First part takes about longer than when you start to roll them. Go all around like this, 5 minutes, and then they'll be ready to be cleaned. So we'll come back. That is done, Babbitt. I know it smells good. With all this, I'm going to say Happy Labor Day. Enjoy your friends, enjoy your family. Thank you for following us. Thank you for writing us a note, and we'll see you next time. Manja manja.